Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold this paper airplane, and it flies really good. And maybe I'm going to teach this on my channel. It's a Flasher Deluxe, but it's really hard. I wet folded this one and it means it springs back. This one's all red. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to fold the plane I just threw over there. Just show you one more. Like, it's really good. So maybe in my next video, if you want me to, I'll show you how to fold this one. So start by folding your paper in half, so I'm not going to teach you how to fold this one in that video. This video. Crease. Fold, unfold and fold this to no crease. Do the same with the other side. Now fold this corner in just so it lines up with the middle crease, just like you do with normal paper. Same with the other side. Now unfold everything so you'll have this. So this is a mountain, right? Mountain, you all know, and then just push the mountain. Like, you gotta find where it's gonna go. Like, push this in, push the triangle in only, like, down. And then you see this is a valley. Push in it, like, fold like, and then make the new crease. So you have this flap over here. So I'll show you again if it's too hard for you. Okay, so I'll do on this one. So just start by keeping it like this. Fold only on this one. And hold it. Crease the triangle. Pinch down. So now you've got this. Don't have to fold it in half. I'm just showing it. So it should look like that. So now you're going to try to make these show. So how you're gonna do that is you're gonna first start by folding this down so it lands right over here, and this back edge lands in the middle crease. So the crease goes down across there. And now do the same with the other side. You got these flaps. You can just push them in and they'll be like that. But that's not gonna work. That's not what we're gonna fold. So and then you see this line that you just made? It's like this line. So you know that line, just fold against that line, and at this corner go all the way to back end there. So basically, I'll first fold it and then I'll show you from a better angle. So this is going to be like this. So start like this. See this crease? Fold it onto it. Fold this edge onto this. Do not let it get off. Here should have a bit of space. Don't let it go all the way. Do the same with the other side. Okay, so now you have this. Fold this down. You see this flap? Just carry it down over to there. Carry this one down too, just like flipping a page of a book. Now you have all of this. So here's where the hard part is gonna come, but this part is to connect your airplane. So start by, you see this, the left one, the left arm, on the left arm, just pinch on the left side, pinch it up instead of making it go down like a valley. Pinch it up like this, and crease over there. And now try to, like, it's really hard, but just fold it so it looks like this. Like, fold this in. You see this should be like this, and then just on this crease. So I'll show you. It's pretty hard. So fold this down, and this should be a valley. Just crease it right up over there, and then so you push this up, and then you have this, right? So you see this flap? You're just gonna wanna push it under this flap right over here. Just when it's like this, push it under. So it looks like that. Push it on the very top layer. When you flatten it out, it should look like this, but you can leave it like this now. For now, if you just fold it in half, it's gonna look like this. You fold it back, it's gonna look like kind of like this. So just flatten it out. And then now, right over here, just not mountain, but fold it in half. And then also, you see this corner, push up on it, crease, and then fold it all like in, push this in, this corner. So you have this. And this side, this is gonna be the hard part, because right over here, you see, you have this flap. You're gonna try to push it in to right over there. Try to keep pushing inwards. If it doesn't work, because this is really hard. So ending up, just have to first let it be like this. So it's first like this. The last thing. And just flatten this close to it. Now fold it in half, and now it's time for the wings. So this is gonna be like, fold it, and then so there's a bit of the nose peeking out. And you see this crease right over here, this line? Land this line right over here. So you can flip it over, and then you hold this, you already made the nose crease. But then look for the line right over here, you can see this line. Just push it on top onto that line, because you see my fingers right over there. That's the mark you want to go to when you feel a bump. So you have one wing, and now fold the other wing to match. But we're not still done. It's important to add this adjustment or it's gonna fly like, it's not like going far if you don't add this adjustment. So this adjustment, just bend up the wings, that's one of them, but don't bend them too hard. And then bend up the back of the wings. See, I just pinched over there, pinched over here, but don't give it too much because sometimes it hits the roof. So this is how it flies. Okay, so in my next video, maybe like 20%, no 10%, I might teach you how to fold this. Or maybe a bit easier one or the easy one, but yeah, so maybe I'll teach you how to fold that. But thank you for watching. Bye.